I'm sure most of us have been seeing and hearing in the last few weeks and the last few months about all this negativity and sensationalism when it comes to the inflation, the recession, the $6 gas prices, now 6% rates, and of course you got the stock market implosion and tanking real estate. And we're definitely all concerned. I'm very concerned and very worried, but at the same time, we cannot allow ourselves to be glued to all this negativity. I had this conversation yesterday with my team at our company meeting, and I shared with them, and I'll share this with you as well, 4 tactical things that you can do right now in your real estate business to really continue to prosper. First and foremost, you want to evolve, right? You want to adapt on what's going on, but ultimately you want to prosper, you want to gain the market share. First thing is you got to be able to be controlling your mindset, your thought process. There's that old quote, we become who we think about. So by focusing on negativity, by listening what other individuals are saying, a lot of them unfortunately in our industry, it's not really going to help you. It's not going to help your clients. We got to take a lot of things into perspective. Last month in our MLS, we had over 8,500 transactions. In a good market, in a bad market, a recession, whatever that is, people are still going to be buying, people are still going to be selling. We have to remember that. But even small little things in life that we take for granted, such as, waking up early in the morning and seeing the sun and seeing the sky, seeing your family, see your loved ones, having a roof over your head, having the opportunity every day out there to go and make an impact, contribute to the society, to the community, to your clients, to your agents. All of those things are opportunities, all of those things that are important that we take for granted. And we should really focus on those things. Control your mindset, control the things that you can control, be at the forefront of it versus being absorbed by everything that is going on. So that's number 1. Number 2, this is the time for you to improve and work on your skills so you can earn more. And what I mean by that is, let's say for instance, you want to get better at holding open houses. This is the time for you to focus on developing your skills to maximize the most out of these open houses. You wanted to work with for sale by owners in the past. Maybe there were not that many. Now this is the time to really focus on developing your skills working with for sale by owners. Expireds, cancels. There are many other lead sources out there you can focus on, but you have to develop your skills on a daily basis to get better so you can have a better or bigger earning capacity. Number 3, increase your productivity, increase your output, double down on prospecting, double down on conversations, double down on follow-up, having conversations with your sphere, educating on what's going on right now, not scaring them, educating them, sharing what's happening, again, being at the forefront of it. That's very important. I'm not saying work harder. I'm talking about work smarter. When people are thinking and they're paralyzed and they're downsizing or cutting their marketing expenses, their lead gen expenses, this is an opportunity for you to gain the market share. This is the time. This is the time to help your clients with their real estate needs. And number 4, I mentioned to you guys, people are going to be cutting down on marketing. People are going to be cutting down on branding. This is the time for you to double down on those things. You got to be able to stand out. With all this noise out there, you got to be able to stand out. And you do this through branding, through marketing, through educating your consumer, educating your agents if you're a team leader or a broker owner, and letting them know that you're there to help them, okay? So those are the 4 things, guys. Again, things are definitely shifting. Markets are always shifting, but I really truly believe that we as humans have the ability to adapt, evolve, and get better with time. And this is the time. Let's focus on it. Let's get better. If there's anything I can do, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.